Welcome to today's discussion on achieving financial freedom, a topic that often feels like a distant dream for many. But what if I told you that financial freedom isn't just reserved for the elite? It's about a mindset shift that anyone can make. Point 1. Mindset shift. To achieve financial freedom, it's crucial to shift from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance. The rich understand that opportunities abound, even in challenging situations, and they seize them. They believe in their ability to create wealth and are willing to take calculated risks. Conversely, the poor often feel trapped by limitations, focusing on what they lack rather than what they can achieve. This mindset can lead to missed opportunities and a perpetuation of financial struggles. By adopting a mindset of abundance, individuals can open themselves up to new possibilities and approaches to building wealth. Point 2. Importance of financial education. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of financial freedom. The rich prioritize learning about money management, investing, and wealth-building strategies. They understand that knowledge is power and continuously seek to expand their financial expertise. Conversely, the poor may lack basic financial education, which leaves them vulnerable to financial pitfalls and missed opportunities. By investing in financial education, individuals empower themselves to make informed decisions and navigate the complex world of finance more effectively. Point 3. Leveraging assets for passive income. One of the secrets to financial freedom is generating passive income through asset leveraging. The rich invest in income-generating assets such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. These assets continue to generate income even when they're not actively working, providing a steady stream of cash flow. In contrast, the poor often rely solely on earned income, trading time for money without creating additional streams of passive income. By diversifying their investments and leveraging assets wisely, individuals can build a solid foundation for long-term financial security. Point 4. Strategic spending and saving habits. Financial discipline is essential for achieving financial freedom. The rich practice strategic spending and saving habits, prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. They understand the value of delayed gratification, sacrificing immediate pleasures for future financial security. In contrast, the poor may struggle with impulse spending and lack a savings plan, making it difficult to accumulate wealth. By adopting frugal habits and creating a budget, individuals can take control of their finances and work towards their financial goals. Point 5. Building multiple streams of income. Diversifying income sources is key to achieving financial freedom. The rich understand the importance of building multiple streams of income through entrepreneurship, investments, and passive income sources. By creating diverse revenue streams, they mitigate risk and increase their earning potential. In contrast, relying solely on a single source of income can leave individuals vulnerable to financial instability. By exploring opportunities for additional income streams, individuals can increase their financial resilience and move closer to financial independence. Point 6. Cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is essential for long-term financial success. The rich embrace challenges and view failures as opportunities for growth and learning. They understand that setbacks are temporary and see them as valuable lessons on the path to success. This mindset encourages resilience, creativity, and innovation, allowing individuals to adapt to changing circumstances and thrive in dynamic environments. In contrast, a fixed mindset can hinder progress, leading to fear of failure and reluctance to take risks. By cultivating a growth mindset, individuals can overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and continue to pursue their financial goals with determination and perseverance. In conclusion, achieving financial freedom isn't just about luck or inheritance. It's about adopting the mindset and strategies that the rich use to build wealth. By understanding these secrets and implementing them in your own life, you too can unlock the door to financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to start your journey towards a brighter financial future.